The Brady Bunch, crafted by Sherwood Schwartz, emerged as a cultural phenomenon that explored the dynamics of a blended family with a lighthearted touch. However, it faced cancellation in 1974 primarily due to dwindling ratings. Transitioning to another iconic sitcom, Happy Days provided a nostalgic glimpse into the 1950s, centering on the Cunningham family and their circle of friends. Notable characters like Arthur Fonzarelli captured the hearts of viewers, establishing a lasting presence in pop culture. Similarly, The Wonder Years resonated with audiences by authentically depicting the trials of growing up during the late 1960s and early 70s. The narration by an adult Kevin Arnold added a reflective layer, enhancing its emotional depth. Mork and Mindy, featuring Robin Williams, expertly illustrated the humorous misunderstandings between an alien and humans. Aired from 1978 to 1982, it cleverly blended comedy with heartfelt narratives, achieving iconic status. Sesame Street transformed children's educational programming through an innovative combination of puppetry and animation. Since its launch in 1969, it has effectively taught vital skills while addressing social issues relevant to young audiences. The Muppet Show, envisioned by Jim Henson, fused comedy, music, and celebrity guest appearances, evolving into a cherished family-oriented program that significantly shaped pop culture throughout its 5 seasons. The show's classic segments, such as Conjunction Junction and I'm Just a Bill, gained iconic recognition, delighting both children and adults. Their catchy melodies contribute to their enduring influence in education. The inspiration for these memorable songs arose from a parent observing how music effectively aided children in recalling information, much like the lyrics of rock songs. This insight sparked the creation of engaging educational content. Although the series initially aired from 1973 to 1985, its impact persists as new episodes continue to emerge in later decades. This ongoing relevance underscores the timeless quality of its educational approach. The humor of the show cleverly contrasted modern conveniences with a prehistoric backdrop, featuring cars powered by feet and dinosaurs as household appliances, amplifying its comedic allure. Inspired by the classic sitcom The Honeymooners, The Flintstones became a cultural cornerstone, introducing memorable phrases like "yabba dabba do" that solidified its legacy in television history. Following The Flintstones, The Jetsons presented another animated series by the same creators, illustrating a futuristic family while exploring contrasting themes of technological advancements and daily life. Punky Brewster, premiering in 1984, depicted themes of resilience and optimism through the experiences of a young girl abandoned by her parents. Its heartfelt storytelling endeared the show to many viewers. Silver Spoons, debuting in 1982, revolved around the relationship between a wealthy boy and his laid-back millionaire father, imparting valuable lessons about responsibility and maturity through humor. The Facts of Life, a spin-off from Different Strokes, addressed real-life challenges such as peer pressure and friendship among girls at a boarding school, skillfully blending humor with important life lessons. Gary Coleman's health difficulties, including kidney disease, profoundly impacted his life and career, culminating in his untimely passing in 2010 at the age of 42. In contrast, Todd Bridges remains active in the entertainment field and now advocates for at-risk youth, underscoring the significance of mentorship and support in the community. The series enjoyed a successful run for 8 seasons, seamlessly transitioning from NBC to ABC, showcasing its lasting popularity and cultural influence during its original broadcasting period.